Hey, what's up guys? My name is Jacob. I'm here today with the Contracting Clients on Demand program, and we're going to be talking about the use of a CRM to nurture leads. Before I dive into today's video, if you like our content, definitely like and subscribe below so we can send you more great information. So at Media Simplified, we use a CRM called Grow Simple, and we've customized it to do a couple of really cool things. The first and foremost job of our CRM is to store contacts, all the information, the addresses of clients, who you're going to be going out to their homes to check out their roofs, all that good stuff. But what our CRM also allows us to do is to nurture those leads post booking an in-home consultation with you. So what that means is basically somebody goes through their, your advertisement, they go through a quiz, they qualify themselves, they say, hey, come out to my house. That's a huge process. That's a huge part of the process that we're able to have that done. But what we want to focus in on is how can we close more deals once the client has already booked with you? Because we know you're a great salesman and we know that you're going to go out to houses and crush it. But what can we do on our end that's going to help you get that extra 5, 10, 20% edge and just close a lot more deals more easily? So what we do using our CRM Grow Simple is we're going to send out educational content to the client once they have booked an in-home consultation. This is going to involve basically, either a personal message from you saying, hey, my name's Dave, I own the roofing company that you just scheduled with. And what that does is basically build trust. So our job as sales consultants, as business developers, is to help you build trust between your client and yourself so that when you're exchanging money, there's no second thoughts. They're ready to give you, sometimes a $30,000 check to do a new roof. You have to trust somebody to be able to write that kind of money if you're not using insurance. So through these videos, we can educate the client on, who you are. We have animated videos showing what it looks like when a technician comes out to the home. We have videos even on what you need to have prepared in terms of documentation so that you can process insurance and file those claims easily and accessibly when you're in the person's home. So big part of what we do is we're just going to text these videos out. We're going to send them via email, but they're all going to be automated and sequential and customized to your liking once they book with you. And that's a huge factor in how we help clients close more deals. Basically, if you go to the Apple store and you're getting your phone repaired and you book a time slot to go to the Apple store, Apple's going to send you, hey, this is the layout of the store. Hey, this is the guy you're going to be talking to. Hey, this is how much time you should expect to be in the store. So when you go to the store, you're just going through those processes and it's a lot easier to get what you came for. So I hope this video helped explain a little bit of how we use our CRM to lead nurture. If you guys have any questions or you'd like to book a consultation, definitely click down below and go to www.mediasimplifiednow.com. Thank you so much, guys. My name's Jacob. Have a great day.